Hey, Mike McGroarty here from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. I decided to put some professional landscape lighting around the front of my house, and I thought I would kind of share that with you guys because I know people have an interest in that. So I'm going to kind of show you what I'm using and how I'm going to go about it and what fixtures I'm using to light the house. Basically, this is the transformer that I got. This is a 120 volt transformer, pretty simple. I'm not going to go through all the details of it, but it does have a photo eye right here, so it can be dusk till dawn, or you can tell it to stay on from, the photo eye will turn it on, and then you can set it to shut off after 5 or 7 hours or something if you don't want them all night. But so this operates on 120 volts. You got to plug it into a GFI, ground fault interrupter receptacle outside, but then this immediately reduces that voltage to 12 volts. So all the light fixtures, everything running underground is 12 volt. I'm going to use basically 3 different fixtures on the front of my house. So I've got this spotlight. These are LED. This is only 3 watts, very efficient, and so this is a spotlight, and we've got some pillars on the front porch, so we're going to wash that light straight up those pillars. And then on the stone and on the face of the house, this is a floodlight. This one I believe is 5 watts, and we're going to use that to wash some stone up the front. Now, so the spotlight is going to be a narrow pattern, where the floodlight will be a little bit of a wider pattern. And then we're going to put some downlight on the walk to illuminate the...
Can't see that.
You can't?
We can see the other one better. The one with the white background, right there.
Oh, okay. So anyway, these are the walkway lights. So they're going to shine light down to illuminate the walkway, or like a pathway light. Now we're going to go outside, and I'll show you the actual fixtures, and then exactly how I'm going to use them. Let's just whiz around and get out here, and we won't even stop recording. So this is that floodlight fixture that I was telling you about. So I'm probably going to put this right about here and wash some light right up the front of the house. So I'm going to have 4 of these across here, so it's actually going to illuminate that pretty well. And then this is the pathway light that's going to go, I'll probably put one here, and then there'll be 4 of them down through the walk here. So that's a pathway light, also an LED fixture. These are Kirchner products, and I actually bought these at Lowe's. They claim that they are well sealed, so that even an irrigation system is not going to bother them, which is kind of a good thing because we do have a lawn irrigation system here. So that's a spotlight. Now over here, actually, now when I get to this point, I'm actually going to have to run. I'm going to put my transformer over there, so I'm going to have to go under the walk. So I'm going to take this piece of 3/4 inch black pipe and dig back here a little ways, and then drive that under the walk so I could sneak the wire under the walk. Come on up close on this one. So this is the floodlight. You can see it's smaller, and these are going to go here, and they're going to wash some light right up these pillars and up to on the front of the house. So I'm probably going to have 5 of those there. So basically, that's it. It's going to be pretty simple. And once it's done, I'm going to put a link right below the video to a page on Mike'sBackyardNursery.com, and I'll get some photos or video when it's done and it's lit up after dark, so you can see what it looks like. So anyway, I'm Mike McGroarty from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com.